Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the data table block to create stunning data tables in Gutenberg. Let's go. It all starts inside a page with the Gutenberg editor. Click inside the empty box to prompt open the block quick menu. Then, on the search bar, type data table, and then click on the data table block to insert it. The block won't show anything unless you upload a CSV file for your data table. You can use the media library to select existing ones here. Once selected, the data table block will visualize the table almost instantly. This is the default appearance of the table. It contains a heading, a search bar, then the stripe pattern table, and bottom pagination. Opening the block settings menu, you can customize the block easily, starting with the general section, where you can show or hide the table title, pagination, search field, and sortable columns. Right below, you can define the names of the columns that you want to be hidden on mobile devices, and you can determine the data source, as known as file format. And lastly, you can edit the table title in this last section. Now, for the data table's appearance, you can modify a lot from the Style tab. First, you can customize the table title font style through the typography option. Inside typography, several options include font family, size, weight, style, transform, decoration, and spacing. Other than that, you can change the title color as well. After that, you can customize the search field. Starting with the typography settings, you can change the font color, then the placeholder color, the focus color, and the background of the field. Also, you can modify the border settings like border type, color, and radius here. With padding, you can adjust the content spacing easily. Notice that the search field has a close button that can erase the search terms. And switching the section menu, you can modify the close button icon size and color of the icon and background. There are also spacing options available for the search field. Moving on to the next section, you can customize the heading part of the table. Notice how the heading part has a deep color, separating it from the table body. Once you're done with the typography, you can change the text alignment and then the font colors. Plus, you can change the whole background color of the heading part. Not to mention the border and padding for it. Next is the table body section. After typography customization, you will find the rest of the controls similar to the previous section. So go ahead and change the color and padding. Also, the even and odd rows are separated, with each having font and background color options. Customize them however you want to match your landing page theme. The next section is for customizing the data count per pagination, which is the beginning part of the pagination. This section lets you customize both text and number. The controls are typography, color, background, border, etc. After that comes the pagination section. Here, you can customize the size, icon size, and content alignment of the pagination, followed by border and margin options. Also, you can change the text and background color for both normal mode and disabled mode. It looks just like that with subtle changes we made just now. And lastly, you can customize the typography and color for empty texts. All customizations are done. Now you can go ahead, save it, and display the data table to your audience. You can even dive into testing it yourself right away. Check how smooth the pagination is. The search bar works super fast as well, and also works with numbers. So you can design your data tables with ZoloBlocks like this easily. You can take a look at more ready patterns to get design inspirations. All of these can be made using the data table block. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!